like any type of musician. He just singing a song, and as well as we just hearing the sound of his singing. My dear audience, it is the really great.
ধন্যবাদ সবাইকে।
Okay,
ইনশাআল্লাহ
just
আবার
complete
নতুন
his
কোনো
song.
আয়োজনে দেখা হবে আপনাদের সাথে। তো সবাই ভালো থাকবেন সবাই।
And he just
অনেক অনেক ধন্যবাদ
trying to show
আপনাকে।
he just trying to and singing the song in this open space and to open audience, and that's just a glad that have I been singing.